Good job.
As far away as Canada City, take first place before. She is a body working out little crazy maniac. TJ loves her, I must admit. You do? And she was born in 1990. She likes dancing, going to the dog park, concerts, and cooking. If she suit for this event. Americana, this is an all-American girl.
We're here at OB's, hanging out with friends and Thunder Roads Magazine.
Perfect.
We're here at OB's for the 4th annual Americana Bike Show. And we're hanging out with some friends here at Thunder Roads Magazine. Got my beautiful 100-year anniversary Softail Radical. Only 200 of them made. This is 118 out of 200. It's got the number tank right here. And this is a 10-foot gator I took out of Lake Dexter about 8 years ago, honey. About 8 years ago, we took this guy out.
You killed the gator and made a seat out of it.
Yeah, well, we couldn't kill the gator, and we took the hide up to Sabatini Coach Works up in Nazareth, PA. He does all Mario and Freddie's upholstery for his boats and his planes and his cars and his bikes. He did this for me. If you want to see the quality, you see a lot of fake gator hides, but the real ones you can tell by the scars on it, you know, because these gators get in a lot of fights. And but anyways, having a great time here at OB's, hanging out with friends, drinking some beer, and don't forget about Twisted Tea. Twisted Tea, one of the best drinks that money can buy.
I agree. I like it.